Alright. Okay, I am working on the Trans Am, and I'm going to show you a quick way of getting the inner wheel bearing out. So I've already taken the cotter pin out from here. That's not very tight.
It seems like it was properly adjusted to me.
I think it was fine. So I am going to hold on to this castle nut for a second. I'm going to put it right here, but you know, don't put it away yet. You're not done with it. So first of all, let me wipe off a little bit of the grease that's on my hands so that I don't get it all over the rotor, but I probably will anyway. We're just gonna have to clean them. So this first one's gonna come out, so I don't want to drop it. Okay, so that guy's out. I'm gonna put this back on. It'll stay on.
Don't let it fall. We're not buying a new Trans Am rotor.
Why not? Castle nut back on. This guy to the side. A little bit less grease on me.
You got a nice shadow in the
Yeah,
footage.
you're doing a good job. Okay, so the castle nut I put back on spindle, and then bam,
And
bearing there.
just like that.